Good morning students, welcome to English class. Today I am going to share something with you, okay, and to clarify your doubts also. Actually, some students asked me about analytical paragraph and descriptive paragraph. They had doubts whether they are same or different. So, truly speaking, there is not much difference between the two, okay. Only the thing is that analytical paragraph, the field of analytical paragraph is very vast, means it can be asked on any subject. It can be asked on a graph or a chart or a pie diagram or table or any clue or place or person, okay, on anything they can ask you, means the field is much vast. And in descriptive paragraph there is also descriptive paragraphs can be asked on any person or place or any event, okay. So instead of giving them personal answer, I thought that I should tell to all of you, okay. So in descriptive paragraph, what I told you, it can be asked on a person or place or an event, okay. So in analytical also and in descriptive also, we have to write the facts only. We have to write the information regarding to that person or that place or that event, okay. It can't be imaginary, okay. We can't imagine and write anything there. It is based on fact, okay. It is based on fact. So whatever the information, correct information, that only we can mention there, other things not, okay. Our personal opinions we can't give there, okay. Let me tell you one example. Suppose they give us a subject Mahatma Gandhi, okay. It is about person now. So about Mahatma Gandhi we have to write a descriptive paragraph. So what we have to write there? So just an idea I am giving to you. For example, first of all we have to write full name of Mahatma Gandhi, okay. Then his date of birth, what people used to call him, about his education, okay, about his works, okay, which movements he started, and how he fought against the British, what was his planning to fight against them, okay. You are knowing it very well, so that you have to mention. About his personal life also you can mention there, understood. So whatever the things related to him you can mention there, okay, in a brief manner, okay. Limitation is there 200 to 250 words. So in that you have to write it, okay. You can't write it too long if you know much about him, so not, okay. So like that we have to mention there, okay. If they ask you the Rani of Jhansi, so about her we have to write. If they ask about Shri Narendra Modi ji, okay, our Prime Minister, so we have to write about him, okay. And some lessons we are having, for example Sound of Music is there, so Bismillah Khan, okay, Bismillah Khan is there, so about him also you can be asked, okay. Then My Childhood, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir is there, so about him also you can be asked, okay. Then one lesson is there, Truly Beautiful Mind, in that it is about Albert Einstein, so about him also you can be asked. So what's your duty, what you have to do? You have to find out the information about such persons, about such great persons, about some places, okay, so that you can be able to write there, clear. Suppose you visited any place there, for example Mahabaleshwar you visited, so you have to write the description about it. Now I came on the place, so what is there, that you have to write. So what I am going to say here, ki you have to read about, okay. You have to read about these great personalities, not only these, others are also there, so go through, just go through, okay. It will be helpful to you, your knowledge will increase, and whatever they will ask you will be able to write there, Clear? About place also the same thing. So about one or two or three hill stations, about one or two historical places, you find out information and write there. Clear? So like that you have to write in descriptive paragraph. Clear? Now I hope that whatever the doubts were there in your mind might be solved. Okay, and some examples also I have already sent to you. Again I will send 2-3, okay, to help you. You also find it out. And in books, whatever the lessons are there, so read them properly. Okay, I told you that from that also they can give the question, okay, in descriptive paragraph or not in descriptive, so in any, it will be helpful to you. Otherwise the question will come and then you will repent ki I did not read it thoroughly or deeply, and now what to write in that, you will not remember much. So that you have to do. Time is there with you. Go through such type of lessons which are descriptive. Clear? Okay. That only I wanted to tell you. Okay. So best of luck for the exam. Now revision is going on. I am telling you one by one the things. Okay, and reminding you so that you will remember it when writing in exam, and don't forget it. Okay, okay then, bye bye.